morning, dear students. Welcome back to your computer science class. Today we will learn lesson number 12, Internet and Email. Children, from this lesson we have already studied few topics like what is Internet, what does Internet provide, and the Internet terms. Today we will learn few more remaining topics from the same lesson, that is, let us start. Under this topic we will study how to start the Internet. Then we will study using the Internet Explorer, which is a browser. Then we will study email. So let us proceed forward with the first topic, that is, let us start. So once you have set up your computer, you may want to purchase the home internet access so that you can send and receive email, browse the web, stream videos, and more. You may even want to set up a home wireless network, commonly known as Wi-Fi, so that you may connect multiple devices to the internet at the same time. So how is it possible? Let us understand. So first of all, besides the computers, what you need is a modem. Modem stands for modulator, demodulator. And after you get connected, as soon as you get connected to the internet, this type of symbol is visible on your device. So now let us understand what does modem stand for. Children, modem stands for modulator, demodulator. The basic function of modem is to transmit the signal. That is, it changes the signal from analog to digital and from digital to analog. Let us understand under the topic uses of modem. A computer sends the information in the form of digital signals. As we all know that computers are digital. But the information over the telephone lines need to be transmitted in the form of analog signals. Now, to solve this problem, the modem converts the digital signals into analog signals. All these signals are carried over the telephone lines. When these signals they reach another computer, the analog signals are converted back to the digital form. This is the main feature of the modem, to convert from signals from analog to digital and digital to analog. Besides this, we also need an ISP. ISP stands for Internet Service Provider. An internet service provider is a company that provides internet access to organizations and home users like BSNL, Reliance, Jio Reliance, then we have Vodafone and Airtel. So these are the companies which provide us the free facility of internet. So children, now let us understand about email. Email stands for electronic mail. It is a facility on internet to send and receive messages around the world. Email addresses are always written in a standard format that includes a username, the @ symbol, that is the @ symbol, and the email provider's domain. And the first email was sent by Ray Tomlinson in the year 1971. So it is very important to learn how to write an email address correctly, because if you do not write them correctly, your mails will not be delivered. So let us see how to write an email. Click on the network icon on the taskbar on the notification area. See here. You have to simply click on connect. It is checking for the network requirements, and as soon as you get this symbol, it shows that you are connected to the internet. After getting it connected, click on the browser. It is not necessary to click on use only Internet Explorer. Any browser you can use. Suppose I'm using right now Google Chrome. I'll click on this and you will get a page of this type. Okay, here you can type the name of the website whichever you want to open. Like here, suppose if I open www.gmail.com. After clicking on this, I'll press enter. Click on this. You can see here the Google Mail is opening for us. This page will be opened before you, and you can see here on the left hand side a button is there where it is written compose. Click on this compose button. Here you will get the message of loading. So you'll get a box of this type where it is written to. So in this box, what you will write is that the name of the recipient, that to whom you have to send this message. Like suppose if you do not know the email address of the recipients, what you will do is that click on to, and you will get a box of this type, and you will ask for my contacts. It will show you all the contacts. You can click on all contacts. Okay, to whomsoever you want to send the email, you can click on this and click on insert button. The person to whom you want to send the mail will be inserted. The mail of that particular person will be inserted here. And if you want that this email address should not be leaked out, it should not be sent to anyone else, so you can write here CC. CC is meant for carbon copy. See here, it is written carbon copy. The email addresses mentioned in this field are visible to all the recipients of the mail. It stands for carbon copy. Now in the subject topic, you can write anything whatever you want, like best of luck hard for your exams. This way you can write the message and click on the send button. You can also do the formatting options, like you can change the font of the text you have written. You can attach the files, like whatever the files you want to attach. From here you can select the files. Suppose Taj Mahal I am selecting, and I will attach this to my mail. Okay. Next is what I'll do. You can see here you can insert link. You can insert emoji from here. Okay. Then you can also insert files from your drive. You can insert pictures from your drive, and you can simply click on the send button. So this way children, you can send a mail to your friends. So this was about email. Now let us understand how to surf the web. Like here, see, I'm clicking on the web browser Google Chrome, and suppose I want to search about the forest, www.indianforest.government.in. I will enter on this. Now see here, Indian Forest Services. This is the first page of the website. You must know that what a website is. This is the website of the Indian Forest. Now what is a web page? This is a web page. And the symbol of hand you can see here. This is linking the web page to the website. See here. I'll click on this and it will be opened. You can see here the movement of this box. You can see here the circular movement. It is showing that it is browsing. It is surfing the net. Okay. See here. This is the web page. So whichever site you want to open, you can open it through the website. So this was about children, internet and email. I hope you all must have understood the lesson. See you in the next class. Thank you.